Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings. Now bear with me, this phone is a little bit broken, the screen doesn't fully work, so that's why I'm using a pen here. But anyway, from the settings, scroll down to General Management, Reset, and then select Factory Data Reset. It will give you a message that performing this will remove things like your Google account, system app data, downloaded apps, music, pictures. Now, to be honest, the most important part, at least in my case, would be things like music, pictures, and just some downloaded applications and overall like data. So if there's something of this sort that you'd like to keep, back it up beforehand. Otherwise, you will lose it permanently if you decide to reset it without backing it up. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, then simply tap on Reset, delete all, and this will begin the process. Now this will take a couple minutes, but once it's finished, we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.